Hey everyone, Crystal here from fanfares.com, and today I'm going to show you my favorite ways on how I like to wrap my 100% cotton baby head wraps. This is for the non-stretchy material, and these are great because you can untie them and retie them in different styles, and as your baby grows, you can adjust the head wrap to fit their head. So here are my favorite ways on how to tie them. You can either tie this onto your baby's head or measure your baby's head and then use your leg to tie it. I like to measure my baby's head and use my leg because she moves around a lot. So first you're just going to do a regular tie, like you're tying a shoelace. And now with the side that is down facing you, you're going to loop it up. And with the other side, you're going to loop it over the first. So you're going to go up and over the first loop. And you're going to pull it through underneath. So it's very similar to just tying a shoelace. Now here's where you're going to need to mess with it to get it even on both sides and get it the way that you like it. This is just the original big bow. If you wanted a little bit of a different look, we are just going to bring one tail to the opposite direction. And so now you have the tails kitty corner from each other. And it's just a different variation of the bow, which is also super cute. Next, if you didn't like the tails, you can go ahead and push them into the actual loops. So just open up the loop, take your tail and shove it on in, and it should stay pretty well. And now you have a bow without any tails. This next option is better if you did it directly on your baby's head. It's super easy, and this is the top knot. So you're going to have that original just first tie, and then you're going to tie it again into a knot. Now you're going to put the tails together and twist them around like you're twisting a bun. And once you get to the end, you're going to just tuck those ends into itself. So go underneath and tuck it in, and you can't even tell that the ends are there. And there's the top knot version. These last two examples, again, are better to be done on your child's head, and they are also a better look for toddlers and up. So you're just going to leave that double knot and then tuck the ends back into the sides of the wrap. So you have a little small knot on top. And finally, this is a little turban style where you just twist it. And now bring it back and tuck it back into the back of the wrap. And don't forget that when you are tying this wrap, if there is a pattern, that it is facing the correct direction. So there you go. There are my favorite ways on how to tie my 100% cotton non-stretchy head wraps. If there's anything that I left out or a different way you love to tie in, please leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my website, www.fanfare.com. That link will be down in the description. Also, if you would like to purchase any of these 100% cotton head wraps, please visit my Etsy store. It's Fanfare Kids. And that link will also be down in the description. Thanks.